Hello everyone, my name is Michal Vojtáš. I would like to introduce to you some new features that we have implemented on our site of Salesian Resources. So if you go to the website Salesian Online, you can already find a lot of things, resources, especially of scientific nature or sources on Salesian education, history or spirituality. So you can go directly, for example, for the sources on Don Bosco and his work, and you can go through many materials. For example, if we want to look into the preventive system in the education of the young, the original writing of Don Bosco, we have an abstract, and then we can go and consult the original version that we can cite and quote. We have the introduction also here, and then there is the text. But the artificial intelligence feature that we have implemented works in a double way. So I will show you both of them. The first one is a special GPT made on the OpenAI engine. So it's working on some resources that we uploaded to the ChatGPT website, and it's called Salesian and Don Bosco Research, and it's an assistant in Salesian education, spirituality and history. It is consulting its own library of documents. So like, for example, we could go for some first approach. Tell me about Don Bosco's approach to education. And the engine and the algorithm is working on the internal documents. So like there are some principles, and so he's going through the basics on reason, religion, loving kindness, and so on and so on. We could go on with this. It will be also, it goes on. But we could also ask some more specific questions like, tell me about some evolutions of Salesian education after Don Bosco. And we will see if it's looking into some, okay, we have already the Salesian Institution of Higher Education, we have some global expansion, cultural adaptation, so different interesting information that are not included in the original ChatGPT 4, which is free for everyone, but now the information he's getting, it is getting from our library. So if we want to go to some specific question on how did St. Francis de Sales influence Don Bosco, so we can see that already some people did that question, so it's working pretty fast, and so there are some links between the two saints. So we have already made an option that all this information and the chats, and it's serving also to improve the general ChatGPT. So it's giving always better and better answers on Salesian themes. So we could go also to some specific and different questions. For example, if we turn back to the Salesian online website, as I have shown you, we have this PDF, and we can download it. I have already done that. So let's go to ChatGPT. I can upload it to the conversation. Let's wait a little bit, and I can ask some questions. So like I can chat with some Salesian documents or with any document. So like can you adapt and update the Salesian education to let's say a specific setting, to let's say the US education in the 21st century. Let's say schools. Let's go for that. So let's see. Okay. There are also, so like he's working on some core Salesian principles. He's working on welcoming an inclusive environment. He's working on integration of modern educational practices, fostering moral, ethical development, accompaniment and guidance, holistic approach to education, professional development of educators. Okay, it's not bad. We could do also some different kind of task. We could say to the AI, like summarize for me the document I uploaded. So he's working, let's see. Okay, the document, and like he's making already a synthesis of the document, because it is like, let's see, it's about 13 pages, and so I can have some fast insight on a document. It's especially useful when you work through a book which has several hundred pages, so you can upload it and see if how the engine will work it out. So that's basically the feature of the AI. Is like a normal GPT, but it's specialized with some more information on spirituality, St. Francis de Sales, Don Bosco and Salesian family, also on history, especially of the Salesian work and the development of the Salesians of Don Bosco. Then on the education, it is focusing on Don Bosco's educational experience, and then also the developments after Don Bosco. It has some information on the Salesian youth ministry model, as it is in the frame of reference, and different other resources. Let's delve on the second way how we can use the artificial intelligence on the Salesian Online website. Like we can go through many types of search, but there is a search with AI. Let's go for that. In that we can use the Copilot, and it's also free. It has an advantage to the ChatGPT. Here in this environment, you have to log in with your account. It's free, but you have to log in. With Copilot of Microsoft, you don't have to sign in. So we are here, and we can start a new chat. Like let's say I will copy this prompt, and we can start a new search. Like search in the site Salesian Online for, let's see, for information on, let's say, Philip Rinaldi, and make me, or write me, let's say, an extended biography. Okay, let's see. Okay, he searched for the information, and it's also using all his indexed information from the Bing search. So like there we have the information, rector major, and he's already quoting some sources. Let's say the first one, then there are some different ones. Like let's say the first one is okay, Salesian missionary activity while Blessed Philip Rinaldi was rector major. Okay, that's a good source on that. And let's say there are some of his letters. Okay, and he's already searching also in Italian. So like sometimes you don't have to worry about the language. You can ask in any language, and it will switch from one to the other. So like there we have the information on the Salesian coadjutor, the Salesian brother. So okay, there we have some information. We could go on with the same type of like search for me in the site Salesian Online for relevant info on some themes that I am interested in. Of course, all these free services are limited. Like you cannot go forever asking questions. It has a certain limit. It depends on the servers. But recently, it's especially these custom GPTs are available also for free users. So like I would like you to invite you to use it to also challenge the information you get. And if you have some information you can share with me, like a feedback. So like you can write to Salesian Online at gmail.com. So there we receive all the feedbacks and information, and we will be happy to make this custom GPT better and better in the future. Thank you, and see you around in the internet.